Want to know how to create those viral AI hybrid animal videos that are getting millions of views right now? I analyzed over 100 channels in this niche and discovered exactly how they're making $10,000+ per month. Let's look at this channel. They started just 2 months ago and already have 287,000 subscribers. Every single video gets at least 300,000 views. But here's what's interesting. 99% of creators are getting AI prompts dead wrong. I discovered a premium prompt formula that transforms basic content into viral gold, and I'm about to show you exactly how it works. So let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1 is choosing the right animal combinations. The key to going viral isn't just picking random animals. You need to create combinations that trigger curiosity. Here's what works best based on my research. Combine predator animals. For example, you can try to create a hybrid between a lion and a tiger or a wolf and bear. Mix dangerous animals with cute animals like snakes and rabbits. Use mythical animals in combination like a dragon and a lion. The goal is to make viewers think, I need to see what this looks like. Step 2 is creating the perfect prompts. This is where 90% of creators fail. They just write basic prompts like combine lion and tiger. Instead, here's my proven formula for high-quality results. We need to start by creating the initial animals and use a prompt like this. Create a cinematic scene of Animal 1 and Animal 2 facing each other in environment, dramatic lighting, Ultra HD quality, epic composition, time of day, weather condition. To create the hybrid animal, we need to use a second, more complex prompt like this. Create a hybrid creature combining Animal 1 and Animal 2, maintaining anatomical accuracy, showing distinctive features from both animals, same environment and lighting conditions as previous image, ultra realistic. If you don't consider yourself a prompt master, don't worry. To make things easier, just go to ChatGPT or Claude. Let's assume we want to create a lion and tiger hybrid. Here's what I'll type to create the first image. Create a prompt to generate an image of a majestic lion and fierce tiger facing each other in a misty rainforest at dawn, with rays of sunlight breaking through the canopy. To create the prompt for the image that generates the hybrid result from the fusion of the two animals, we can type this. Create a prompt for Videotok to generate a hybrid beast, combining the muscular body of a lion with the striped pattern and facial features of a tiger, standing majestically in the same misty rainforest setting. Step 3 is generating high-quality images. Now that we have our prompts, we need to generate the images. I'll show you 3 different AI tools you can use. Videotok. The easiest way to create a video to publish on YouTube is by using Videotok. On this platform, you'll have a complete console of tools to create a video in 3 minutes. Once you have registered and entered inside, write this prompt. Well, the prompt is a bit long, so I'll leave the full version in the description. Otherwise, I have to pay too much to the video editor. I'm being ironic. More or less, just enter the prompt in the text box and ask Videotok to create a video about the two animals and their fusion. Then Videotok will give you some image prompts, edit and review them, following the structure we saw earlier. The end result will be this. Fantastic, right? And all of this in under 5 minutes. Every time I think about it, I'm amazed. But let's move on. If you want to experiment with platforms that create only images, I can give you some advice for those as well. If you want to use Leonardo AI, I suggest you to set up this aspects. Set aspect ratio to 9:16. Enable negative prompts. Use ultra-realistic style. For those of you who want to try to use Midjourney, the parameters are use our 9:16 parameter, add v6.1 for latest model, use Q2 for higher quality. Step 4 is video editing. We have very little work left to do, but it can have a big impact. There is only one tool we can use if we want to do a great job in a small time, obviously Videotok. I know it may seem biased, but you can't deny that every time I say it, I then give you good reasons to believe me. So, let's create magic. Here's my viral editing formula. The first step is to work on the structure of the video. We need to follow this scheme. 2-second intro showing animals, 3 to 4 second merge animation, 2-3 second reveal of hybrid. Now it's time to focus on the movement and effects in the video. We need to create a smooth transition between the two animals merging into the hybrid. Once the video is generated, you just need to select the transitions. If you want to add a background to the images to create a frame, I recommend choosing it based on the colors of the animals you've selected. As for the transitions, the 3 effects I recommend adding are film burn, pull in, zoom in. Step 5 is optimization to maximize views. To do this, you need to use engaging titles like lion plus tiger or create custom thumbnails showing both animals, add relevant tags, post at optimal times, normally 2-6 p.m. EST, use proper hashtags, drop a comment letting me know what animal combination you're going to try first. In a few days, I'll be publishing a very interesting video to explore and test a new niche on YouTube. Don't miss, so make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to check out the channel because we've uploaded some videos that will help you create extraordinary videos, like how to edit AI videos so good your viewers get addicted, which I'll leave on screen. See you in the next video.